Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram Your Algorithm Explorer tab. To use this feature, you have to simply open Instagram application on your device. From there, head to the Reel section by selecting this Reel option on the bottom menu bar. From here, you should be able to find this heart icon with lines on the top right. Go ahead and click on it and you should be able to access your algorithm over here. Now, you should be able to see these two options over here, what you want to see more of and what you want to see less of. Now, all you have to do is simply tap on one of these options called add and add in your topic like food. Now, once you tap on it, you will be able to find more contents related to food on your feed. Now, if you want to see any specific type of contents less, go ahead and tap on this add button, then type in that specific title. Now, once you do so, you will see much less content regarding that specific topic. All you have to do is tap on this sidebar and scroll or reload your Reels tab and you should be able to find it like this. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.